Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the available disk storage space on your MacBook. Whether you are running out of space or just curious about your storage status, this video is for you. So let's start the video. To check storage in Mac, MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and then click on System Settings from the menu. By the way, I'm using Mac OS Ventura. If you are using an older version of Mac OS, then the interface might be a bit different. On the left panel, click on General tab and then click on About section. Now scroll down and until you see Storage section. This is the Storage section and click on Storage Settings button. You will see a colorful graph that represents your storage. Hover your mouse over the graph and it will show you how much space is available. In our case, we have 206 GB available in our MacBook. So that's it. You now know how to check available disk space on Mac. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more Mac guides.